This video I'm going to show you Aquabot Breeze 4-wheel drive robotic pool cleaner. So included in the box is the operation instruction. You also have the warranty card. The Breeze 4-wheel drive comes with a 2-year limited warranty. The first year is a bumper to bumper, 100% coverage. And the cleaner comes with 60 feet of cable, so this cleaner is good for a small, medium, or large pool. And on the cable is a swivel here. This swivel will prevent any kind of cable tangling as the cleaner is moving in the pool. And included is this very simple power supply. There's an on-off switch only. The cleaner is set to run for a 2-hour cycle. And the Breeze 4-wheel drive is a top-loading robotic pool cleaner. These debris canisters snap right out. You can see that they're very large capacity. These will also filter down to an industry-leading 2 microns. And this cleaner features an all-wheel drive system. It'll clean the floors of the pool as well as the walls up to the waterline. And the cleaner features a center scrubbing brush. This will help loosen up stubborn dirt and debris on the pool bottom and allow the cleaner to suck it in. And you can see on the bottom are these 2 large debris openings to pick up large debris. You can also adjust the suction port by pulling up and get it closer to your pool surface if you need it. Or you can push it back down. It's also a very lightweight robotic pool cleaner. It has this really large handle on top, making it easy to put it in your pool and to retrieve it. Okay, so you would plug the power supply into the outlet. And then you would take the cleaner and drop it into the center of the pool. Let it sink to the bottom. You'll take this into the cable and plug it into the Aqua control. It goes in one direction only. And then you'll turn the power on. You're going to see a steady blue light indicating that it's powered on. One of the nice things about a robotic pool cleaner is that it works independently from your filtration system. So all the dirt and debris gets trapped inside the cleaner and not in your filter, allowing your pool to run a lot more efficiently. And the Breeze 4-wheel drive features Aquabot's Never Stuck system, so it won't get hung up on the main drains of the pool, or the steps, or any corners in your pool. As the Breeze 4-wheel drive is moving in your pool, it also pumps 70 gallons per minute. And the cleaner is designed to clean the pool floors and the walls of your pool up to the waterline. When the cleaning cycle is over, gently pull the cleaner to the side by the cord. Then you want to grab the handle and pull it out of the pool. Let me show you the dirt and debris picked up here at this pool. You can see that picked up all the dirt and debris very nicely, even the larger debris. Let me show you the other canister. See, this one also is full of dirt, leaves, and debris. These canisters are very easy to clean. You just get a hose and gently hose them off. So it takes a couple minutes to hose off the canisters, but they come out really nice. Let's look at the Breeze 4-wheel drive. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty and it filters down to 2 microns. It'll leave your pool spotless every week. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of swimming pool tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.